Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine. Hi and welcome. Please hit subscribe before you leave today. The button is right down below. And also hit the little bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. I wanted to do something that was really bold and yellow and just spring like. So this is the look that I created today. I did use a lot of yellows and a little bit of golden-ish shades for this look. But I like the way it turned out. You could also pair it with a colorful lip if you wanted to be extra, which I kind of wanted to do, but at the same time I wanted to make it something that was more wearable for like most people. I feel like the nude lip kind of makes it more wearable than like a purple lip, which you could also do. So yeah, anyways you guys, that is it for the intro. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. So the first thing I use is this matte concealer in NW15 as my eyeshadow base or primer. Then I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Back to Brazil or something like that. I'll link it below. And I'm going to apply that yellow shade all over my lid with this E40 Sigma brush. I'm going to blend this out and keep packing and layering the yellow until it's as pigmented as I want it. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette, which I just showed. I'm going to be taking that yellow in this palette as well. This is a little bit more of a deep yellow. And I'm going to be packing that all over my eyelid and in my crease as well. I keep packing on the color until it's as pigmented as I want it, and that is the result I got. Next, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Kilowatts in Trophy Wife and put that over the yellow on my lid. Now, using this glitter eyeshadow palette, I'm going to pack on some of that yellow golden shade on top of the lid in the center area mostly. And now I am moving on to my face makeup. I am priming my face with the Touch and Soul primer, and I'm going to use this brush to blend that out. Next, I'm going to be applying foundation to my face. I am using the NARS foundation that I've been super obsessed with, and I'm using a Smashbox brush to blend that out, which I am also really liking. It's actually a powder brush, but it works really well for foundation, so I am just blending out my foundation with this brush, which is amazing. Next, I'm going to be contouring my face with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Espresso, and then I'm going to blend that out with a Makeup Geek stippling brush. I like using this brush to blend out contour because it's the perfect size and it blends out really nicely. Next, I'm going to take this sponge from Sonia Kashuk to apply my under eye setting powder, which I'm using the Laura Mercier under eye powder. This is the brightening one. It's really like pure white and it works really well for the under eye area. Next, I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier powder in the deep version using a flat top brush. I'm going to be pressing this powder into my face to set the rest of my face. I like using this type of brush because it really gets the powder evenly distributed and it pushes it in beautifully into the skin. Next, I'm going to take this Tarte brush and I'm going to dust off my under eye powder. And we're going to go back into the eyeshadow palette 35B from Morphe, and we're going to take an angle brush from Sigma to apply the smoky yellow shade to the bottom lower lash line. So yeah, that was just like the same thing, the lower lash line. So we're going to just blend this out and smoke it out, making it look exactly like the top eyeshadow. So you keep packing on yellow until it gets as bright as you want it. And just go back and forth, blending and packing on color until you are satisfied with the overall look. I am connecting the lower to the top lash line with the yellow as well. I did line my waterline with this MAC NW15 I think pencil, which is basically like a really beige color. I'm going to be doing my bronzer using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mahogany bronzer, which I am literally loving so much. I bronze my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, my chin, anywhere where the sun would normally hit. I love this color because it just looks so beautiful and it's not red toned. I'm also using this blush from MAC, which is kind of a bronzy shade, which you can kind of use as a bronzer as well. I will list the name below because I completely do not remember it. And next I'm going to take the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter kit in Bronze Sands. I'm going to go over my cheeks with one of the shades in this palette, and I'm also going to be taking the highlight to highlight my face to create this beautiful glow. I love this highlighter so much. It's so pretty. Lately I've been having a lot of highlights that I've just been really obsessed with because I feel like lately makeup companies have just coming out with makeup that I think is just really amazing. So I highlighted my forehead, my cheekbones, my nose, the top of my lips, my cupid bow basically, my chin, everywhere that I would normally highlight. I applied this highlighter and I really love it. I'm taking some more of Kilowatts in Trophy Wife and applying that to my inner corner to use as an inner corner highlight. Originally I kind of wanted to use this on my cheeks, but I wanted to keep it more focused. I wanted to get the yellow in my eye area, so I wanted to focus all the yellow shades there. I'm also using the Kilowatt highlighter as my brow bone highlights. I'm then using MAC's Cork lip liner to line my lips, and then I'm going to go in with MAC's lipstick in Flesh Pot to apply to the center of my lips. To top this all off, I'm going to be using this Bare Minerals gloss in the color Yes, I love it. So this is a completed look. I did reline my lips a little bit where some of the color came off, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.